Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hafifah. My ID number 2103021027. In here, I then interview with 5 people. Why are Indomaret and Alfamart always close together? This is related to the hoteling theory. In determining the location, the company applies the concept of perfectly competitive market model, or PPS, in economic principles. This PPS model is defined as the most ideal form of market, where one of the characteristics in one market is that there are more than one entrepreneur with the goods or services offered are homogeneous. In addition to applying the PPS principle, this close location for entrepreneurs can save research costs and feasibility studies when opening a shop in a new location. If an Alfamart or Indomart has been established in a location, it can be ascertained that the location has good market potential and has passed the business feasibility test. This means if a company wants to add stores in that location, they don't need to do similar research in determining the feasibility of location for a mini market. Of course, considering several things, including population, density or number of heads of family or key in the area, traffic density around the mini market, the right target segment, and a supportive social environment. Interview to 5 respondents. Question: does hoteling theory as a marketing strategy between Indomaret and Alfamart have an effect on the perspective of the community as consumer? The first response is Ayu Yulianiro. In my opinion, the marketing strategy of hoteling theory is quite influential in the buying and selling process that occurs in several areas that I have visited, where every time I want to buy products such as soap and other household needs, if they are not available at Alfamart, then I prefer to try visiting Indomaret if the product I am looking for is available at Indomaret. The second response is Meiko Hikmah Intan. In my opinion, the strategy applied in this hoteling theory has quite a crucial influence because these two markets intentionally provide several products that can be said to have similarities starting from the composition, brand, and number of goods offered. The third response is Septiani Pratama Putri. In my opinion, the marketing strategy implemented by Indomaret and Alfamart is quite effective to be applied in the territory of Indonesia because as we know, nowadays the two markets are always side by side wherever they are. So every customer who wants to visit a store, either Indomaret or Alfamart, have a wider opportunity in determining what items he wants to look for. The third response is Nasita Asfia. In my opinion, the hoteling theory strategy has a good impact because if there are customers who are selective enough in choosing the goods or products they want to buy, They will choose and sort out which products have lower prices than one of these markets. Therefore, this hoteling theory is well applied in Indonesia. Last response is Azalea Zalfa. In my view as a consumer, this hoteling theory is quite interesting to apply in my village because it sells a variety of products that can be said to be complete. Therefore, if Indomart runs out of stock of the food I need, I can look for the food at Alfamart. Conclusion. Based on the result of interview that have been conducted with 5 respondents as customers or consumers who have shopped in Alfamart and Indomart, 100% said they agreed to the marketing strategy of this hoteling theory. They feel that this hoteling theory is very suitable to be applied in Indonesia, where every society has consumptive characteristics and does not want to be complicated in making decisions. Alright, that's my presentation. I apologize if there are many shortcomings or mispronunciation. Thank you for listening. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.